In late 2013, Jim and Michael MacDonald were selected by a forerunner of SpaceX for a top-secret mission to an alien planet to help them solve some boiler issues. Mike MacDonald explains.
So about 4 years ago, a secret government agency came to us and with a special mission. They had an issue on a planet outside of our solar system, somewhere out in the universe, that had boiler trouble. This trip to that planet really opened our eyes to what could be done in the future. And we went and learned so much about how things could be in the future.
Inspired by this interstellar trip, the brothers decided to come up with a plan for R.F. MacDonald that would include servicing these alien planets. A 1,000-year plan. Development of this 1,000-year plan took months, and the brothers had to keep it secret from all employees in their very open office environment.
Who's there?
No,
Go.
No.
You gotta go.
The decision was made to use Yosemite for loading boilers on and off alien spacecraft.
Plenty of room. Here.
As you can see in this top-secret simulated animation, the brothers MacDonald planned to land alien spaceships in Yosemite.
The best place to set up our command and control center for the landing of the spacecraft, take the boilers and pumps off of the spacecraft, do the repairs, launch them back into space. The hike that we've taken to Glacier Point, everybody on that hike, and of course others, have had the opportunity to see the ideal space or the location for this landing site.
Said we have a large gathering, 400 people celebrating. Well, that's a guise. We need to find a landing space to support our 1,000-year plan.
You know, this whole celebration here is really a front. We needed a good reason to get up here to do this work, and in fact, you're just a part of us developing our 1,000-year plan.
I don't think anybody has a clue.
Jim MacDonald decided to tap the R.F. MacDonald Brain Trust to see if the train could carry boilers into the valley to load onto the alien ships.
Project coming up where we need to move a boiler through the mountains here.
Put it on this guy right here.
We're good to go.
Yeah.
We can do it.
Weren't they brought in on a train? The big ones they put at Corcoran?
No, probably most of the way.
Yeah.
They had to lay track to bring the train in?
Modesto.
Yeah.
How about up here in the mountains?
Oh, Corcoran's still our job.
Reassured that the steam train could handle the weight of a large Cleaver Brooks boiler, Jim has now solved the issue of transporting the boilers into the landing zone. Earlier in the making of this film, the brothers MacDonald confided to the filmmaker that their father might also have been involved in the same alien connection.
With the communication with the government, it was a precursor to what we're looking at today. So this is day 2. My brother solved the problems last night of moving the equipment on the steam train, and that'll work out fine. So today we're scoping out the command and control center, and this point seems perfect. There's a 360-degree view. So from up here, we'll have a 360-degree view of the space traffic, the alien ships coming in, the inventory coming up from the steam train, and we'll be loading everything on the correct spacecraft as it takes off, because there is nothing worse than an angry alien. You know, I think they have not caught on. I think that this is just in everybody's mind, just a nice walk on a warm afternoon. They have no idea it's actually a scouting mission for us to find and locate the command and control center.
He's got to go all the way back there.
Would you be shocked if I told you there's something else going on, that this is not just a trip to Yosemite, there's actually an ulterior motive? Would you be shocked if I told you that?
I'm not really shocked by anything, so no.
What about aliens? Do you believe in aliens?
You know what, actually, I got a story about that if you got time.
What if I told you that there was something else going on, that this really wasn't a trip for employees, that there was actually something deeper going on. What would you be shocked by that?
Yeah.
Yes.
You're shocked that there could be some other motive to this.
Yeah.
With the brothers figuring out the transportation and command and control, they're all ready to complete their 1,000-year plan. In the end, the story of R.F. MacDonald is one that will be told for eons in the Book of Boilers. Remembrance of bravery in both boilers and pumps. Skilled technicians both here on Earth and elsewhere. This is the end of our story, but R.F. MacDonald's will continue for at least the next 1,000 years.